Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Imagine a computer program that can understand your voice commands, recognize faces in photos, or even play complex games like chess. These are all examples of AI in action. AI systems are designed to learn from data and improve their performance over time. One of the key concepts within AI is machine learning, where algorithms allow computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario, these algorithms can analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on the insights they gather. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful and adaptable. In essence, AI is about creating intelligent agents that can perceive their environment, reason and learn from it, and then take actions to achieve specific goals. AI and automation are closely intertwined, with AI often serving as the driving force behind automation technologies. Automation involves using technology to perform tasks previously done by humans, often with the goal of increasing efficiency, reducing costs, or both. AI plays a crucial role in this process by enabling machines to perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence and adaptability. While traditional automation relies on pre-programmed rules and instructions, AI-powered automation takes things a step further. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on that analysis, allowing machines to handle more complex and unpredictable tasks. Consider the example of a manufacturing plant. Traditional automation might involve using robots to perform repetitive tasks like assembling parts on an assembly line. AI-powered automation, on the other hand, could involve using robots equipped with computer vision and machine learning algorithms to identify defective products, adjust their own movements to optimize efficiency, or even learn new tasks without explicit programming. As AI and automation technologies advance, certain sectors are more susceptible to displacement. Jobs involving repetitive, rule-based tasks are particularly vulnerable. Factory workers and data entry clerks are at high risk. Data analysis jobs in the financial sector also face potential disruption. The rise of self-driving vehicles and delivery drones threatens transportation jobs. While AI excels at automating tasks, humans maintain a distinct advantage in many areas. Jobs requiring creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be replaced by AI. Creative professions like artists, writers, musicians, and designers rely on human imagination and emotional depth. Management, leadership, and entrepreneurship roles need complex problem-solving and strategic decision-making. Healthcare, social work, therapy, and teaching rely on interpersonal skills and empathy. AI can assist but cannot replicate human compassion and emotional support. Jobs least likely to be replaced by AI capitalize on uniquely human qualities. Section 5. AI augmenting human potential, real-world examples. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human jobs, it's important to recognize its potential to augment human capabilities and create new opportunities. In many industries, AI is already being used to support and enhance human roles, leading to increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and the creation of entirely new job categories. One compelling example is in the healthcare industry. AI-powered diagnostic tools are assisting doctors in identifying diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. By analyzing medical images and patient data, these tools can detect subtle patterns that might be missed by the human eye, leading to faster and more effective treatment. In the field of customer service, AI-powered chatbots are being used to handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues that require empathy and nuanced problem-solving skills. The financial industry is also leveraging AI to enhance human capabilities. Financial analysts are using AI-powered tools to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and manage risk more effectively. Section 6. The transformative impact of AI on industries. The integration of AI is not merely automating tasks, it's reshaping entire industries. From manufacturing and healthcare to finance and retail, AI is driving unprecedented levels of efficiency, personalization, and innovation. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots and predictive maintenance systems are optimizing production lines, reducing downtime, and enabling the creation of highly customized products. The healthcare industry is witnessing a paradigm shift with AI-powered diagnostics, personalized medicine, and drug discovery platforms. AI is enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses, tailoring treatments to individual patients, and accelerating the development of new life-saving drugs. Retail is another sector undergoing a significant transformation. AI-powered recommendation engines are personalizing the shopping experience, predicting customer needs, and optimizing inventory management. The financial industry is leveraging AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial advice. Section 7. Navigating the future of work, skills and adaptation. The rise of AI and automation necessitates a proactive approach to navigating the future of work. As machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks once thought to be exclusive to humans, it's crucial to develop skills and adaptability that will be in high demand in an AI-driven world. One key area of focus is developing skills that are complementary to AI rather than those that are easily automated. This includes skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, communication, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. Furthermore, embracing lifelong learning is paramount in an era of rapid technological advancement. Continuously updating skills, acquiring new knowledge, and adapting to changing industry trends will be essential for staying relevant and thriving in the job market of the future. This might involve pursuing additional education, attending workshops, engaging in online learning platforms, or seeking out mentorship opportunities. Another crucial aspect of adaptability is embracing a growth mindset. Section 8. Embracing lifelong learning in an AI-driven world. In an era characterized by rapid technological advancements and the increasing prevalence of AI, the concept of lifelong learning has transcended from a mere buzzword to an indispensable necessity. The traditional model of education, where individuals acquire knowledge and skills primarily during their formative years, is no longer sufficient to thrive in an ever-evolving job market. Lifelong learning encompasses a continuous cycle of learning, unlearning, and relearning, enabling individuals to adapt to new technologies, acquire in-demand skills, and remain competitive in their respective fields. There are numerous avenues available to embrace lifelong learning. Online learning platforms offer a plethora of courses and resources covering a wide range of subjects, often at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Professional development workshops and conferences provide opportunities for individuals to stay abreast of industry trends, network with peers, and acquire new skills through hands-on training. Moreover, seeking out mentorship from experienced professionals can provide invaluable guidance, insights, and support throughout one's career journey. Section 9. The AI Revolution, a call to action. The rapid advancements in AI signal a profound shift in the technological landscape. This revolution presents both opportunities and challenges, demanding a proactive approach. Embrace lifelong learning, focusing on skills like critical thinking and creativity. stay abreast of advancements, and adapt to changing trends. Businesses must embrace AI for innovation and growth. Policymakers must shape the future of work in the age of AI. The AI revolution is upon us, and its impact will be profound.